What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'll show you how to patty up some burgers, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, who's pattying? Why you getting handsy over there? Well, I'm not talking about last night. I'm talking about making some burgers, because that's the thing. You go into the grocery store, and you see they got that sleeve of the pre-made patties, and then you look at the price tag and you go, oh, hell no. So, I'm going to teach you how to take some ground beef, patty it up without any kind of machine or anything like that. We ain't over at Wacky D's with Whack Arnold. We over here making it at the house. And this is actually something my dad told me. He used to do this about once a week, man. We'd be having burgers. And so this is his old trick. I'm going to show you what to do. First thing you got to do, you got to get that beef, baby. You got to get that big scragly. So, let's go ahead and get the ground beef. To me, when you're making burgers, the more fat the better. So I'm glad I came. So the burger, 70-20 usually a good one, whatever you want to get. So let's go ahead and get the burger. And to me, a pound should give you about 4 burgers. Should be able to cut it up into 4 corners there, and go ahead and take it and roll it into a ball. Kind of like when Bobby Brady, remember when he was talking about, Mom always said don't play ball in the house. No, she said don't break shit in the house. And what did you do? So we're going to go ahead and take our meat and roll it up into a ball. Now, you take your hands there, them old grabbers, and just kind of squish that old patty down. Now, I like to squish mine pretty good because it's going to shrink as it cooks, like Honey I Shrunk the Kids. So we're going to flatten that out, make it delicioso. So let's go ahead and do that. And you're saying to yourself, well, aren't you going to put any seasoning in there? Well, we'll put the seasoning in later. We got to get moving, because I want to get done and watch the Osbournes putting the seasoning in with the burger. You could do it, but I'm not going to do it. I ain't got time for that shit. So let's go ahead and get our burgers, patty them out, patty them good like that. And that's the key, man. Just take it slow. And you really, another tip I could give you, you want to let these thaw out pretty good, and then once they're thawed out, keep them refrigerated, because you keep them cold, a little more cool that they are, be easier to work with. You don't want them all slimy and nasty. So we get those burgers, take them, flatten them out, then you're ready to throw them in your pan. Now, to me, everybody does a bunch of different seasonings on their burger, but when you're doing a burger, really just some little salt and pepper is all you need just to give it the good flavor. So put the salt and pepper on there. Flip your burger a couple of times. Once it gets that good crisp on the outside, throw a piece of American cheese on there, daddy. And then, once you get that cheese good melted, might even throw your lid on top and let it steam, sir. So, once you get it steamed and delicioso, build your burger however you want, and that's pretty much it. You don't need no press. You don't need to pay melt the stove. Just get your old ground beef and go to town. And I'm about to go to town on this burger, if you know what I'm talking about. Take a look at it. Look at it. Good. So, alright, buddy, the time has come. Le burger is done, and I'm going to have the first bite for myself. You're saying to yourself, like, oh, you done made burgers before. Psh, I've made burgers many a time, Big Daddy. So, I know what I'm in for. It's going to be good. That's a burger. A good burger. A patty done is right, man. You just can't beat the hand press. Salt and pepper, cheese, put your toppings on there. Magic. Who don't love a burger? Always good. So, always good to see you on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. And also watch my all my other videos. Sorry, that burger's so good. Over here dreaming. You watch all my other videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, don't forget to join my Patreon for exclusive content. And besides that, it's time for me to finish this burger. Then that burger. So, we'll see you next time. Who's next? You's next.